What's up YouTube? This is the Air Jordan 1 Bred toe Flyease, or white toe, sorry, Flyease. This is one of my favorite shoes in my collection. It's very easy to slip on and off. In fact, that's the whole point of the shoe, excuse me. They look just like the Jordan 1s. You'll notice the laces are not real. I'll show you how the lacing system works here in a second. You'll also notice that these are worn. I actually wear these from time to time. Now, from my understanding, the whole Flyease lineup was designed for people that may have a tough time tying their own shoelaces for a various set of health reasons, for example. And I found that to be very inspiring. The whole engineering behind the shoe is pretty spectacular. All you really need to do to loosen it is grab onto this portion of the shoe and just pull your hardest right here, and you end up opening this entire heel. It makes it really easy for you to stick your foot inside, and when you're ready to tie them, you just bring this strap all the way back around. It's a great shoe. If you're interested in a Air Jordan 1 Flyease like this, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. It's a great way to get a Jordan 1 for a good deal and a good colorway. Even though these mitts have been at skyrocketing prices lately, so I strongly recommend checking these out. Let's see how they look on foot. So as you can see, they look pretty fly with this denim. This is Scotch and Soda denim. If you like denim like this, check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description to buy Scotch and Soda denim. It stacks really well, so it looks amazing with sneakers. Thanks for watching the YouTube video. These are one of my favorite shoes, as I said before. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I know they're very different to typical Jordan 1s, considering there's a zipper system in this area. There's also a Velcro lacing system, which I haven't shown you yet. Let's just show you how easy it is to take these off. We got the whole heel of the shoe off right here. And if you're still having trouble, you can remove this entire lacing system. And just pull your foot right out of the shoe. Let's put this back together here so you can see how it looks. This is an elastic lacing system right here. And just like that, the shoe's back together. One of my favorite shoes, again. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Air Jordan 1 Bred colorway with the white toe, like, you can't really go wrong. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.